Daddy?
Yes, that's the alphabet.
Alphabet. Yay!
You're doing great.
More colors.
A is for airplane.
Yes.
Look at all the airplanes.
Wow, airplanes.
B is for ball.
B, ball.
Yes, look at all the balls.
Balls, fun.
C, this block has the letter C.
C.
That's right, C is for car.
Car.
Yes, a red car. D is for dinosaur.
Dino.
Yes, look, lots of dinosaurs.
Wow, dinos.
Look, this is the letter E.
E is for elephant.
Yes.
Wow, elephants.
F is for fish.
F, fish.
Yes, look at all the colorful fish swimming.
Wow, fish.
G is for grape.
G, grape.
Yes, lots of grapes. H, this is an H.
H. Yes, some helicopters. Wow, helicopter.
I is for iguana.
Iguana.
Yes, lots and lots of iguanas.
Iguanas.
This is the letter J.
J.
J is for
Jellyfish.
K.
K.
K is for knights.
Lights. Starts K.
L is for lion.
Lion.
Yes, lots and lots of lions.
Lions.
Look, this is the letter M.
Mmm.
M is for monkey. See the monkeys?
Ooh, monkey.
That's right. N is for number.
N for number.
That's right.
Wow. Numbers.
O is for octopus.
That's right. Look at all the octopuses. Wow, fun.
P is for parrot.
Parrot. Yes, look at all the colorful parrots. Wow.
This is a Q. Q is for quarter.
Quarter.
R is for rocket.
Rocket. Wow, rockets everywhere. Rockets are fun.
S is for spider.
S, spider. That's right. Look at all the spiders.
T is for tiger. See the T?
Ah!
That's right. Look, lots of tigers. U is for umbrella.
Voila.
Yes, look at all the umbrellas.
So many.
See this big V?
V,
Is for?
van.
Yes, look at all the vans.
Wow, van.
Look, a W.
Ooh, is for world. See? Yes, lots of worlds.
X is for X-ray. See the X?
What's that?
It's a picture of bones inside.
Wow, cool bones.
Look, this block has the letter Y.
Y for yo-yo?
Yes.
Yo-yo's fun.
Z is for zebra.
Zebra, Z.
Yes, look at all the zebras.
Zebra.
See? You're doing great.
Thank you for teaching me, Daddy.
You're welcome, buddy.